Got a notification on your iPhone, but you can't see what the message actually says? Here's how to fix it in less than a minute. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Notifications. At the top, tap on Show Previews. Here you'll see three different options: Always, When Unlocked, and Never. If your iPhone is currently set to Never, that's exactly why you're only seeing that you received a notification, but not the actual message or notification preview. If you don't mind other people being able to read your notifications from the lock screen, you can simply select Always. This will show the full preview of every notification as soon as it arrives. But for most people, the best option is When Unlocked. Here's why. With this option enabled, your notification will still appear on the lock screen, but the preview stays hidden until your iPhone recognizes you using Face ID. On older iPhones that support Touch ID, it will authenticate your fingerprint instead. As soon as your iPhone confirms it's really you, the notification preview automatically appears, so only you can read the message while keeping your privacy protected from anyone else who might pick up your phone. So, if you've been wondering why your notification previews aren't showing, there's a good chance this setting was simply set to Never. Change it to When Unlocked for the best balance between privacy and convenience, or choose Always if you want every notification preview to be visible immediately. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.